So that's the walkaround of Apachi RR310. You guys could see matte finish RR310. First let us look at the bike. Matte finish is really good, but I'll choose the red color. You guys could see that the symbol, it's really good and it's a nice finish. But what I don't like is this rubber finish. It could have been metallic, which could be really good. Yeah, of course, the tires. So the tires are Michelin Pilot, which is rear section would be 150 rear section. The box color, it's really awesome. So I'm gonna on the bike. That sound is really disgusting. So you guys could see that petrol indication, battery side stand, and especially gear shift indicator. So the RPM limiter is outside. Vandi on. So I'm gonna switch on the bike. Exhaust smoke. Petrol. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Anyway, thanks guys. Like and subscribe please.